Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today it's kind of a little bit of a mixture of stuff today. We're going to be doing a service on the RS VR4 this morning, doing an oil change. I'm going to be detailing it over the weekend. I got a car show on Sunday, Japfest. So I'm getting the car cleaned up, ready for that with the oil change. We're going to be working a little bit on the US spec VR4 today, just a little knick-knack stuff, nothing special in this video. And then we're going to be saying goodbye to the MX-5 today, the Eunos Roadster. Sold it, didn't take long to sell it, took about a week to sell it. It's a guy a couple hours away, I think Manchester, is taking it. He's already put a deposit on it, so it's pretty much sold. He's just waiting for some cash to come his way. And then he'll be picking that up. So we're going to do just a little final walk around of the car, show you the stuff that I've done to it. And my basically owned it a year, so my feel for the car and tell you what I thought of it and how good a car it was. So we'll talk about that later on in the video when we get to the MX-5. Right now we're just going to start working on the Galant, getting the oil change done, getting it drained, the oil drained out, and start working on it. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned, and maybe we'll have a little chat at the end of the video about what the next car is. Alright, let's break the oil pan bolt loose. That's just snug, not too tight, that isn't. And, oh, good thing is it's looking pretty clean. Simple oil change. That's looking good. All right, we'll let that sit and drain, and then we'll take the oil filter off. All right, while the oil's draining on the RS, we're going to start working on the US car. So these are these little grommets here. Ordered these in from Japan. Still available. The plugs, it says front door, but they're not. They're for those little holes there. So when I got the car resprayed, they must have damaged those and didn't put those back in. So we've got some new ones from Mitsubishi, so we'll have the satisfaction of putting those back in. See if this one goes in easy, as I'm hoping it will. That's in. Nope. There you go. Cool. Wasn't too hard to install. Some things are just that easy. Okay, still working on the US car. So then this now is I got a couple new of these. It's all just dust there. I got a couple new screws. Some of these are okay, but I'm going to replace these two because I've got two. So got these in from Japan. Thank you, Mitsubishi, for not discontinuing them yet. So we're running out of them. It's an old label, so chances are this is new old stock. So we'll go ahead and throw these on. I just ordered two, so we'll get them put on there now. Get the broken one off. All right, got the new ones installed. Look a lot better than the old broken ones. I think these screws were £1, so not expensive, and you know, they really look nice on the car now that they're broken ones off. So yep, that job's done. Cool. There's my thumb, it's there. Thumbs up. Okay, so get the oil filter back on. So this is HKS oil filter. Been using their filters for a little while. Seems okay. Oil filter. Not sure the genuine one. I just don't get the genuine one for some reason. I just chose HKS. HKS is a big Japanese tuner, well known within the import community. I mean, we're going on for years. I shouldn't have to sell their oil filter or their brand. It's a pretty good product. So I'll get them get the filter slapped on, and then we'll put some Castrol GTX oil in it. Okay, so hot tip: always put a little bit of oil around the gasket. of the oil filter to give it a good seal. That should be good. We'll get that threaded on now. Wipe the area down. We'll get that threaded on. And you only need to thread on the filter hand tight, just snug. If you're lucky, the HKS logo will face down, but I don't think I'm going to have that luck. So yeah, just a good snug with your mite. Okay, I'm sure I made some funny faces when I was tightening that filter down. So yeah, that's done. So looking pretty now. And now I'm going to just lay under the car and look at all the fun. Okay, we're just giving the MX-5 a quick bath. It's looking pretty good. Just gotta hose it down and dry it off, and then we'll have a little look around at the car, closer look, and talk about it. All right, that's the Eunos Roadster all finished. I washed it, went for a little drive in it. I'm kind of sad that I'm selling it, to be honest, because it's such a good car, really. They're fun to drive, you know. They're nipping, you know. They're quick around the corners. They get up to speed fast. It's a really enjoyable car, and I mean, look at it. It looks really nice. Washed it now. Got the top down. You know, I've made this car pretty presentable. You know, and the new owner is going to be very lucky because it's a very nice car. You know. Polish is upturned, new wheels and tires. You know, new paint on the front end at least, and all the stuff that I've done to it. The lights, the new badge on the bumper. You know, it's just a really well presented car, and that's why it got a good, decent money for it. Won't tell you how much I sold it for, but I got a decent amount of money for it because I put a lot of effort into it cleaning this car. So. My new exhaust. Haven't really put many miles on that, but well, I hope you guys enjoy the Eunos on the channel. I thoroughly enjoyed driving it. Did some videos with it, but I'm looking forward to the next car that I get. So no more Eunos on the channel, maybe one in the future. But let's give it a last final walk around before it goes off to the new owner. I will miss it. There's no doubt about that. I will miss it. It's a very clean car. Castrol. Pouring some oil in, fellas. The sweet golden nectar of oil. What makes motoring possible. So far, I'm pretty excited because I haven't spilt any. Which, you know, I don't normally spill a lot, but I have known to dump quite a bit on the floor. So far, I haven't spilt any, which is not even a drop. That whining noise, that's my dog. My annoying chocolate Labrador Freddy. Won't shut up. Anyway. I got a little bit more to go. Keep pouring, and then we'll check it at the dipstick. All right, continuing on with the video. It's time to wash the Galant ready for the show tomorrow. So I got the pressure washer out. Gonna put some foam on it and give it a good scrub. It's gonna be fun getting it cleaned up because it's been about probably 6 months since I've washed it, so it's quite dusty. So let's get it washed. All right, got the RS all washed up, cleaned up, and finished. So park it up now and ready for the show tomorrow. Hope you guys liked the video of a little bit of work on the RS here, oil change and a little bit of a wash. And this guy's coming to pick the car up today, so you can say goodbye to the Eunos. Bye, Eunos. See you another time, maybe. All right, guys. All right, guys, and that concludes this video. Hope you guys stuck around to the end and enjoyed it. I know it was kind of mixed of everything going on, just a car life, car guy kind of thing going. You know, you're doing this and you're doing that, selling this, you know, and regretting some things, but so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's another video coming out of the RS, should be out probably Monday, Japfest, taking it tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. There'll be a lot of different content now, a lot of different cars, anything from Skylines, Subaru, Evos. So anything we can see that's Japanese, I'll film it and show you guys some old school stuff, hopefully too. So stay tuned for that, and like and subscribe if you guys are enjoying the content. If you're not a subscriber, like and subscribe. If you are, thanks for subscribing and following along with the journey of my cars. Thanks, guys.